Hey everybody, it's Hair to Stay by Ms.E. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I customize this lace frontal wig. I basically plucked around the hairline and I plucked just a little bit more hair in the recession area. This is the area right above the temples. This is going to assure that I have that natural looking hairline. So I'm going to take my astringent and sponge and I'm going to clean around my forehead just to make sure that there are no natural oils or lotions on my forehead. This is going to assure that your lace is going to lay down nice and secure. So I'm going to let it air dry just a little bit. I colored this hair as well. Make sure you check out my video that shows you how I colored and cut this lace frontal wig. I'm going to take my lace, I'm going to pull it down on my forehead. I'm going to pull it down just below my natural hairline. I want to make sure that I do not cause any unnecessary stress on my hairline as to prevent breakage. I'm going to use my pinking shears with the scallop blade, and this is going to give it a wavy look when I cut it. It's going to make sure that the hairline looks nice and natural and not straight across. I could also use a smaller shear and also do like a zigzag cut, but I decided to try something different. And I do like the cut that I got around the hairline. However, the shears were really big and bulky and I probably won't use them next time because it was just a little bit awkward. But I did get the cut that I wanted to get from the lace. So this is a 13 by 4 inch body wave. It is 13 inches from ear to ear and 4 inches from the hairline to the crown area for parting space. It is 22 inches long. It is 250 density and it is by Tanashi Hair. As you can see already that my lace is laying down nice and flat. It is flush to my hair. It is flush to my forehead. So I basically don't need to put any product on it. It looks nice and smooth around the hairline area. The ear area needs a little bit of work because there were some attachments on the wig that I could not remove. And I had to basically cut around the ear off camera. So I chose this particular method because this is an alternative to the bald cap method. You're still going to get that natural look, but you're going to have less product and you don't have to worry about wearing a cap and the cap sliding off. This is basically another method that is going to be much easier, less time consuming. And basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my hairspray, got to be glued hairspray, and I'm going to spray it on my paintbrush. And I'm just going to put a little bit of product around the hairline. I also like to use the white Got to Be Glued gel. It has a nice hold. The black gel for me has a lot of water in it and that basically takes forever to dry. I also secured it with a scarf at night, which allowed me to wear my hair nice and secure for 2 whole days, which is a real plus. But this is a technique that you're going to use if you want just a temporary hold. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So as I was saying, this is a temporary hold. It's a lot less work than the bald cap method. You still get that nice natural look. Also, it's easy to remove. All you need is alcohol and a sponge, and you're just gonna lightly pat around the hairline so that you can remove the hairspray when you're ready to remove the wig. So right now I'm going to use a little bit of mousse just to lay down the hairs on the side. I don't want to do baby hairs. I just want the hairline to look nice and soft and natural. Just a little bit of wispies in that area, but no baby hairs for me. That's just not what I prefer to do. But if you choose to do so, that is perfectly fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch my other videos on how I customize my lace frontal wigs, and I hope to see you guys next time.